Hello, dear students. This is class 6th English poem Beauty. In this class, we learn about the poem Beauty.
Now let's read the poem aloud. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. The trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night. Wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest.
Now let's understand the poem with its meaning with this beautiful voice.
प्यारे बच्चों, ये नज्म यानी ब्यूटी इया शोर ने लिखी है। 3 बंद पर मुश्तमिल इस नज्म में 5-5 अशार लिखे गए हैं। इसमें शायर कहते हैं कि खूबसूरती और जाज़बियत हमें हर सू नजर आती है, और ये जो खूबसूरती है ना, ये हम में भी मौजूद है। खूबसूरती हमारे दिल और दिमाग को सुकून बख्शती है। इसका महकता एहसास हमें परिंदों, दरख्तों, धूप और दाएं बाएं मौजूद चीज़ों से भी होता है। शायर का कहना है कि इस खूबसूरती का एहसास हमें रात के दौरान हल्की हल्की सनसनाहट, आसमान से बरसने वाली बारिश की बूंदों और जानवरों की चहचहाट से भी होता है। शायर मज़ीद फरमाते हैं कि खूबसूरती हमारे अच्छे कामों और अच्छे रवैये से भी ज़ाहिर होती है। शायर का मानना है कि खूबसूरती की अक्कासी इंसान के ख्वाबों, ख्यालों और कर्मों के ज़रिए से भी होती है। खूबसूरती हमारी ज़िंदगी को अहसन तरीक़े और खुश असलूबी से रवां दमा रखती है। खूबसूरती कहाँ? दिन में आफताब की रोशनी में, कुदरत की बनाई हुई चीज़ों में, चहचहाते परिंदों में, दरख्तों की सनसनाहट में, हंसते मुस्कुराते बच्चों में। रात के अंधेरे में, दरख्तों की सनसनाहट में, हवा की सरसराहट में, बरसती बारिश और गुलकारों की गुनगुनाहट में। हमारे अंदर अच्छे कर्मों में, मुस्बत ख्यालों में, हमारे कामों में और सुकून कल्ब में।
These are the difficult words of this poem with their meaning. This is the brief summary of the poem. You can write down it on your notebooks. At the end, for evaluation, we have take some questions from your textbook. The first question: is the poet says beauty is heard in dash dash. And this first part of the question is, can you hear beauty? Yes, we hear the beauty as we see in the poem. The second part of the question is, add a sound that you think is beautiful to the sounds the poet thinks are beautiful. We have to add the sounds which already poet talks about in the poem. We can add the sound of singing birds. The third part of the question is, the poet John Keats said, heard melodious are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. What do you think this means? This means that we hear melodious sounds around us, we enjoy them. However, later when we think about these melodious and remember the lyrics and music, they seem sweeter even though they are unheard. Last part of the question is, have you ever heard a song in your head long after the song was sung or played? Yes, I can say yes, I heard the beautiful note in my head long after it was sung by my friend. The second question of your textbook is, read the first and second stanzas of the poem again. Note the following phrases: corn growing, people working or dancing, wind singing, rain falling, a singer chanting. These could be written as corn that is growing, and corn growing can be written as corn that is growing. People working or dancing can be written as people who are working or dancing. You can rewrite the other phrase like this. Why do you think the poet uses the shorter phrases? First of all, we have to rewrite these other phrases like wind that, rain that is falling, a singer who is shouting. Now we have to say why the poet uses the shorter phrases. The poet uses the shorter phrases to enhance its beauty. Another question is, write a short paragraph on beauty. You can write a simple paragraph on the beauty. For your help, I have written here, beauty gives pleasure to all our senses. It can be noticed in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, the fields, and dancing groups. Beauty can also be heard in the night when the wind makes a whistling sound, the rain falls. True beauty, however, shows itself in our noble actions and good deeds. That beauty is represented in one's dreams and deeds, and even when one rests. Okay, thanks. Stay home, stay sad.